To be honest, I don't think you can effectively advertise and prospect and network to 8 different lead sources. Well, unless you have the resources on your personal team to do so. You know, we get this idea where it's like, ooh, I'm gonna do Zillow leads. Ooh, I'm gonna do door knocking. Ooh, I'm gonna do open houses. Oh, I need to do sphere of influence. Oh, I need to do this. And all of a sudden you're doing 7 different things at 25% capacity versus what I would recommend, have 2 legit lead sources, maybe 3. But those 2, maybe 3 lead sources that you're focused on, be the absolute master of those 2 or 3. Do them both or do all 3 of them at 100% capacity. That is what I would recommend. Because if you get much further out than that, you're going to start skipping a weekly Facebook Live video that you had committed to do your sphere of influence. Because you were doing whatever it was that you were doing. And you're going to start stretching yourself to the point where you'll be okay with not doing that at 100% because you've got this other lead source that you're focused on. And then you just start getting disjointed and all of a sudden it just gets away from you. So do those 2 or 3 better than anybody else can. And then once you've mastered those 2 or 3, maybe next year we add a 4th. You don't lose the 2 or 3 that you've done, you just add 1. Master that additional one. And we grow it to the point where then you can master all 8.